Imagine the year is 1901. Off the coast of a small Greek island, divers stumble upon a shipwreck and something extraordinary. Among the rusting bronze and shattered pottery lies a corroded lump of metal and wood. At first glance, it seems ordinary, but what they uncovered would rewrite history. This is the story of the Antikythera Mechanism, the world's first analog computer. Tiny gears, meticulously crafted, arranged in a way no one thought existed in the ancient world. How could a device like this, capable of calculating celestial motions, exist over 2,000 years ago? Today we dive into the mystery of the Antikythera Mechanism, its discovery, the theories surrounding its purpose, and the baffling question: why did humanity lose this technology for a millennium? It all began with a shipwreck near the tiny island of Antikythera. Divers were searching for sponges. Yes, sponges. But instead they found something far more valuable. Pieces of bronze, encrusted with centuries of sea growth, were brought to the surface. Among them, a strange, corroded artifact caught the attention of archaeologists. At first, no one understood it. Was it a clock, a weapon, a piece of art? Then, decades later, in 1951, physicist Derek J. de Solla Price studied it. Using X-rays, he revealed a hidden world, more than 30 interlocking bronze gears, arranged with such precision, it rivaled the clockwork of the 18th century. The Antikythera Mechanism wasn't just a tool, it was a technological miracle lost in time. Who could have built such a device and why? Scholars have proposed 3 tantalizing theories about the purpose of this ancient marvel. Each theory opens a door to a world we thought we knew and challenges everything we assumed about ancient technology. The first and most widely accepted theory is that the Antikythera Mechanism was an astronomical calculator. By turning its hand crank, the device could predict the positions of the sun, moon, and planets. It even accounted for lunar and solar eclipses, a task so complex it required precise mathematical understanding. Imagine it, over 2,000 years ago, Greek engineers building a device that not only tracked the heavens, but also mapped the cycles of the cosmos. The mechanism could even model the irregular orbit of the moon, something astronomers called the anomaly, centuries before Kepler or Newton. Another theory suggests it was designed for navigation. Some researchers propose that it helped sailors calculate their position using the stars. With its intricate gear work, it might have been able to guide ships across the treacherous Mediterranean waters long before the magnetic compass became commonplace. While this idea is compelling, the Antikythera Mechanism doesn't seem to have included direction or distance markers, leaving this theory more speculative, but still fascinating. Could it have been a high-tech navigator for an elite few? And then there's the third possibility, that the mechanism was something else entirely. Some believe it may have been used for religious or ceremonial purposes, predicting auspicious dates for festivals or political events. Others argue it was a demonstration of technological prowess, a symbol of intellectual supremacy in the ancient Greek world. No matter its true purpose, one thing is clear. The Antikythera Mechanism is far beyond what we imagined the ancient Greeks could achieve. And here's the greatest mystery of all. Why did this technology vanish? After the Antikythera Mechanism, no similar device appears for over 1,000 years. The Roman Empire fell. Libraries burned. Knowledge was lost in wars, invasions, and societal collapse. Some historians argue the complexity of the mechanism required a level of craft and mathematics that was fragile. Once the engineers were gone, so was their knowledge. Others suggest that the political and economic turmoil of the Mediterranean world simply made such devices unnecessary or too precious to replicate widely. The Antikythera Mechanism is a reminder that progress isn't always linear. Genius can appear, dazzle the world, and then disappear, hidden beneath centuries of sand and sea. Today, scientists continue to study the fragments, reconstructing its gears and simulating its movements. Each discovery peels back of another layer of history, revealing the brilliance of minds long gone. The Antikythera Mechanism doesn't just tell time or track stars. It tells a story of ingenuity, mystery, and the fragile nature of human knowledge. So next time you look at your smartphone or computer, remember, over 2,000 years ago, someone built a machine that could rival our devices. And then it vanished, waiting to be discovered at the bottom of the sea. Thanks for diving into the mystery with us. If you loved exploring this ancient enigma, subscribe for more tales of lost technologies, mysteries, and mind-blowing history. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep marveling at the genius of the past.